Vocabulary. School supplies.
Backpack. Backpack. Book. Book. Calculator. Calculator. Correction pen. Correction pen. Crayons. Crayons. Desk. Desk. Drawing compass. Drawing compass. Eraser. Eraser. Glue. Glue. Glue stick. Glue stick. Highlighter. Highlighter. Hole punch. Hole punch. Markers. Markers. Paper clip. Paper clip. Pen. Pen. Pencil. Pencil. Pencil case. Pencil case. Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Protractor. Protractor. Ruler. Ruler. Scissors. Scissors. Stapler. Stapler. Sticky notes. Sticky notes.
Reading exercise. Read aloud after the audio.
In math class, I keep a protractor and a drawing compass on my desk to help with geometry. I also use markers and sticky notes to highlight important ideas. When I need to cut paper, I take my scissors, and if I want to organize my work, I use a stapler or a paper clip. These supplies make studying easier and more fun.
Academia Virtual GT. Educación integral a tu alcance.